Filling a Wells Fargo check is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can properly fill a Wells Fargo check. So this is how the normal checks look like. You just have to, fill it. So how can you fill it? So in this line, in this section, which is written is pay to the order of, you have to type your name. And here you have to type your name. Here you have to enter the amount in numeric values. Suppose you want to do the $10,000, you just have to type in. So you don't need to type dollar right here. You just have to type in 10,000. And here you have to type in in the alphabetic order, which is TEN, THOUSAND. And after writing 10,000, you also have to type in only as well. So you just have to type in 10,000 only. And here you have to type the name to whom you want to send. And here you have to sign your check. You just have to give your sign. And this line is for date. You just have to type in your date. And here you have to type in 2023, 24, or 21. Totally depends on the year. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can properly fill a Wells Fargo check. Hope you guys find this video helpful.